Okay, let's go and have a quick look at solving some simple equations then. So they're fairly easy. There's a simple mix and match for level 5 exercise. For this question, these solving equations, what we need is, it's just like solving a normal equation. Just be careful about dividing through by minus numbers. Multiplying and dividing by negative numbers can cause problems with sign. I'll see if I can create one in this one. Actually, we can almost create one there. So we've got 4x plus 7 less than 7. Usual rules, we're going to subtract the 7. So 4x is less than 12. Comes down, divide by 4, x is less than 3. So it's the same as using equations. Let's use this one, bring the 40 to the other side, so we've got 54 is less than or equal to 9x. So divide by 9, that's... I've just had a brain freeze for a minute, that's 6. X is on the big side of 6, and if you want to swap it round, notice what happens when you swap sides. So swapping sides, the x is still on the big side of the 6. So you need to be careful about moving the sign around. So you can't just say x is 6 and keep the sign the same. If you're moving both parts around either side of it, you're actually changing the sign. So instead with this one, in a minute I'm going to try and show you what happens if you move them the other way. So let's go for taking the 7x first to give me 6x, and we want the 89 to the other side then. So minus 47 plus 89 is 42, 42, and that's a positive 42. Sign stays the same. Divide through by 6, so x is bigger than 7. Move things round, and we get the change in the sign. So say x is smaller than 7. If you'd done this the other way round, you would wind up with minus 6x over here, and is bigger than... do this in another colour, sorry, just to show it's if you'd done it wrong and what happens with negatives. So we get minus 6x. 47 goes to the other side, is greater than 42, minus 42. Now the 6x is on the right side. We were going to divide through by 6 first, and it's minus 7. But when you divide by negative, or divide or multiply by a negative, that changes all signs. So we change the x to a positive x, the greater than to a less than, and minus 7 to 7, and we've got the same solution.